Madagascar is a huge island nation off the southeast coast of Africa. It is home to thousands of animal species, such as lemurs, found nowhere else, plus rainforests, beaches and reefs. Madagascar's extraordinary natural diversity has earned the country the nickname the Eighth Continent. A veneration of ancestry and tradition pervades the national culture, a reverence that is reflected in the country's architecture, art, and social manners. Madagascar is the dream destination for many people, whether it's to relax on the white sand beaches or hike in the mountains. The country boasts of a vibrant nightlife with nightclubs, pubs, and cinemas dotted across the entire country, offering tourists and visitors the chance to immerse themselves in the night culture and beauty of the island after sunset. Madagascar remains open to tourists and visitors from all over the world all year round.